Happy Sunday! Lunch pala tayo guys. Dito si Mother. So, salmon ang aming lunch. Ayan. With salad and sweet potato. Si Riker rice siya.
Give me all your love, oh, 'cause I want you. No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do. Hold my hand, could you hold my hand? Look me in the eyes. You and me, yeah, that's all I need, and I'll be alright. I'll be right here. I swear that I'll stay here with you. Hold me closer. I wanna stay here with you. All that we have is each other now. I promise I won't leave your side. Be who you are and you'll be enough. If you're giving me your love, giving me your love. All that we have is each other now. Promise you won't leave my side. I hope who I am is enough for you. If I'm giving you my love, giving you my love, love. Tell me what you wanna do. I'll do anything.
Good morning! Happy Monday!
Monica was small. She always makes a sign. This is Nigeria and then we love the flow. This is another one. Argentina. Hey. This is Nigeria and then Finland the flow. Egypt is here. But Kuala I'm South Africa. And Syria as well. Kenya is a special place in nowhere. I'm a country at Nigeria. One is so sweet. But Waka Waka use my youth. I mustn't be.
Morning! Hindi ako masyado nag-vlog kahapon kasi nag-relax lang kami. Nanonood lang kami ng Korean show. Pinapanood ko kalaate yung Goblin. Ang ganda kasi. So, Riker have school today. Daddy will pick him up. And who are we picking up at the airport later? Oh, you're not gonna be here pala. Who's coming later, Papa? Tita Vic. Tita Vic is coming later. Mamaya pang 2:00. So, nasa Sydney na siya. Si Harley and Ate Zoe tulog pa.
Canada is the special place.
So, balik ng school ni Harley July 20 pa.
So sweet.
And nearly 36 weeks you guys. Bukas, 36 weeks na ako.
Got it in the west. Angola is as well. Why am we?
So, pick upin namin sila. Daling ko si Ate Grace and Zoe para mag-pick up kay Ate Beck mamaya. And then, we might pick up Riker after that kasi 3 o'clock out nito eh. Pardon? Morning! Good morning, Hallie! I thought you're really gonna sleep in. Girl. Morning. Good morning,
Mommy,
Good morning, my big girl.
Mommy, I want to ride car.
Tapos na mag-almusal si ate. Look at her doodle, guys. So, numbers. Ang cute. Parang whale yung number 4. Cute, Harley. That's cute.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, O, Q, R, S, T,
Oh, you love your brother.
W, X, A, B, C, this child, these, but why? Baby, life, baby.
Oh, hi baby. I can't wait to see you. Ayan, maaga pa naman guys. 10:39. So, mag-board yun si ate, 11:35. So, we'll make our breakfast. Ay, naninigas-nigas na yung chan ko. Nagka-practice. Dami niya ng practice for, labor. So, yung meron kasi ako dito yung quick oats. So, bumili ako ng rolled oats. Kasi ito yung pang prep dito. Ito yung magandang pang prep. We got chia seeds, almond milk, and ang ating coconut, yogurt, tapos banana na lang yung lalagyan natin. Kaming 4 lang naman. Tama? 1, 2, 3, 4, no?
Yes.
Hoy, kagabi nag-pizza lang pala kami. Nag-group pa ba ako kagabi?
That's too much. Okay.
Mamaya, hindi pa talaga ako nakapag-pack ng aking hospital bag. So, I'll be packing na niyan talaga. Here we go. Tig-isa kami dyan. Zoe, me, Ate Grace, Ate Vic. For breakfast. Holly had wheat picks this morning. Kasi hindi na-deliver yung aming gluten-free bread. Ang dami naming tinapay dyan, nakakaloka. Kasi nga binigyan kami dun sa kaibigan ni Harley. And so, our dinner for tonight pala yung binigay na lobster ni Manay. Ito. And then, kahapon hapon ba tayo punta? Hindi. Basta nung punta kami bumili kami ng pampano, bumili na rin ako ng prawns, king prawns. So, ito partner namin. Lobster and king prawns kami tonight. And then, the kids and Ben, I'll make them burger. Kasi ang dami nga naming bread.
Yeah.
So, gawa na lang kami ng homemade patty. Mamaya. Ayan. Lunch na tayo, guys. Bago tayo magsundo ng ating sisterette. Ayan si ate, oh. Naubos siya na yung kamatis niya, tsaka cucumber. Kumakain siyang lettuce. Good job eating lettuce, Holly. You can put your egg on it. Like this, like Sang gives self. Like a wrap. Like this. You put the egg. In there. Ayan. May celery. Ay, may celery pa tayong mamangat-ngat din yan ng celery eh.
Oh, yeah? What?
Ayun nyo lang yung carrot sticks na raw. Kala ko gusto nyo yung carrot sticks. Ayan, ready na tayo guys. Yung arrive niya is 1:27 na paaga. 1:24 na, pero hindi mo na kami alis. Hanggat di niya pa nakukuha ang kanyang luggage. So, we'll wait for her text. Ang haba na kaagad ng buhok ko guys. Look at that. So, si Ben maiwan lang kay Harley. He's working from home the rest of the afternoon. Let's go, guys! Let's pick up!
Yung sabi ng Montes.
Aga-aga. Hindi pa siya nagtitext kung nakuha niya na ba yung luggage niya.
Sino susunduin natin? Si Maribek! Maribek! Oh my God, successful ang kanyang biyahe. Hindi siya naligaw.
Ngayon lang siya nag-travel ulit mag-isa.
Hindi siya nangamba na maligaw. So, that's good. So
That's sunny day. Huh? Sunny day pa.
It's sunny day today.
We'll pick up Riker after.
Ah, yeah.
Maaga-aga pa nga eh. So baka
Si Riker Flynn is masusupresa.
Kasi 3 o'clock pa siya
At
eh.
masarap ang aming hapunan mamaya.
Oh, yeah.
May pa-lobster si Madam. May sponsor.
Ayun na siya guys. Ang tagal niya bumaba 1 hour Hi! Welcome back! Ang ganda ng weather sa'yo, ah. Hi!
Diba? Ilang minuto ka naghintay doon? Nihintay namin yung message mo.
Oo nga, kanina pa ako nakalabas.
Nagtambay kami sa IKEA.
Kanila mo pa na-pick up yung bag mo? Oo.
Hindi siya makakunik. Dapat pala bumili ka ng ginger milay.
Mamaya mag-lemon
May lemon naman.
Ay, lemon. Hi! We're in Adelaide!
Mamaya na namin pick up yung
We're in Kirkos. Andito si Hiker School. So, mamaya pa out niya.
Meron off shop na katabi.
Merong, ayan siya. Ando sa likod.
Malistig din yan, be.
May ukay dito. Sa harap. Ay, may mga fur. Bakit siya nagaganyan? Nakakabusin. So, look at this.
Wow, Japan.
Pang Japan, no? $6 lang. So, why? Ay, kitty cat. Kitty cat. Pag sipi daw. Ayun nga pala. Wala Cute.
Meron pa no ka sa Japan, no?
Yes, okay.
Daddy, there's a dinosaur.
Hi, beautiful Kim! Who's here? Look!
What's there?
Who's here? Look!
What's there? She's not Miss Penelope.
Pakita mo yung video kami.
Prep na tayo sa dinner natin food trip, guys. Ito, thank you so much. Sa ating lobster. And, paris natin ng shrimp. Tapos agad ng corn.
Asa yung ship, be?
Hoy, Hyper Clean.
Ayan, that's the shrimp. Merienda daw siya. That's for dinner. That's for burger. Ay, pati yung ulo. Ang sarap. Pati yung ang sarap yung malaman.
Mag-rice ka, Grace? Oo.
Masarap sa rice ba?
Masarap sa rice.
Ayun, ginapay lang ko.
Pretty baba.
Salad lang. Adelaide na. Adelaide.
Sabi ito lobster, sorry?
First time mo yan, ha?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Pasko.
Oo nga, nandito tayo. You remember? Kasama
Kasama
yung
lobster
mga
and steak.
kapatid.
Yeah, kasama sila. So, burger sila, Ben and the kids. But I think Riker wants rice.
Ano yung mo yung gitna, be? Yung 500, yung gitna o yung sa una?
Kahit ano dyan.
Nanonood kami ng teleserye.
Ano yun?
Ang Korean. Korean novela.
Ayan. 3 burgers yung kay Ben, isa kay Harley, isa kay Ate Zoe. Si Riker, rice siya. Ito na yung patty. Si Ate nakamasok kasi nuubo pareho sila ni Harley. Ito, nagawa ko na yung aking shrimp na may corn. And then, tapos na yung ating lobster. Yum! Burger ni Ate. Ha? Ayan.
Ang laki, be?
Ang sarap ng aming ulam. Kain tayo. Si Ben tapos na siya kumain. That's it. Ay, kuha tayo na maliliit na.
Nagano? Sino po?
Yeah, tigisa kay ulo ni ate. Kami tigisa kay picture.
Ayan,
Sarap, you guys.
Oh. Adelaide na.
Seven.
Connect.
Zoe, let's eat.
Kumakain na doon. Burger.
Hindi ako naririnig.
Ulam nila.
Naka-headphone yata. Ay, hindi mo naka-headphone.
Come here, Nana. Eat time, baby.
Lobster.
And prawns.
And prawns. Mixing.
Lagay mo nga dito na yung kukuha na ng sauce.
Rice namin na laki.
Ha? Okay, sorry naman.
Ngayon si Buntiso.
How to eat that?
Please get it out and beat it up to you.
Yes, please.
We put the sauce here. Kaya nag-eat the sauce dito eh. Saka
Burger.
sauce.
Eat your burger, Baba. Hindi ka kumakain doon sa playroom.
Yes.
No, ito, puro meat na to. Kasi hindi na nakatawag
Yes,
yan.
kain.
Eat. Asin ko na yung mask one. Going to eat. Kain tayo guys.
Wala ka ng sabaw na lagay.
Sarap na nito, ate.
Sa Adelaide.
Sausaw mo dito, ate. There.
Oh, there?
Yeah.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help